We're going to be making party time slime kit. Well, we're going to make party slime, not party time slime kit. And I'm with Daisy, but I'm not going to show her face. I'm not showing any of our faces in my YouTube channel, by the way, guys. As you can see, we're trying to get these out. That one's empty. Oh no, which one's empty? None of them. Put that one back. And we can try scrape a bit of this out. Have you got the... Where's the stick?
Oh no, I don't know when you touch it.
There it is. Get this out. So you're going to be making the slime first, Daisy, okay? So here's a little measuring cup.
I don't even know what to do.
I'm showing them in camera, okay? So, pour 20 thingies of glue up to thingies of glue up to there, where it says 20. Pour it in. Would your mum care if I show your face on YouTube? Would you care? No, I'm not going to. I don't think your dad will. That's the full one. Don't use this one. Try not to show my face though. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Okay, just take it off. Turn on the notification bell so you know every time when I post. Like, subscribe, what I've just said.
I can't even open it.
Stab it.
Okay.
Hold it.
That was
I know it was. So pour in there 20. They put it up on your face so okay, they saw your face, but oh well. Your dad would care, but who cares? Up to 20.
Get him!
Probably because it's nice times. Hold it. There you go. Zoom in on that face. Zoom in on that face. I actually zoomed in onto that face. Let me zoom in. Do a weird face. A weird face, Daisy.
No.
Mean.
Oh my... I just put the whole...
What? Wait, take it out, take it out, take it out, take it out, take it out.
Ah.